Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'll show how to post on Instagram from laptop. Here is my Instagram ID logged in, but here is no option to post. If I go to my profile, as you can see, also here is no option to post. Here is no option to post anything in Instagram from our laptop. Now let's see the tricks. Right click on mouse and then click on inspect. Now clicking this toggle device toolbar icon. After that, if I refresh the tab, now we can see the plus icon through which we can post. Let's post something. We can see here that the post has now been posted from our laptop. This is how we can post on Instagram from laptop. Find this video helpful, please subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying with 5 Minute Solution.